What's going on, everybody? Topher here. I'm back again with some more clothing content from my clothing brand Thermal Vision. Got it on my shirt here as well. Today we're gonna be doing a process video on how I made these crew necks here. I've got some pictures I'm gonna show because my lighting's kind of shit right here, but gotta work with what I got. Yeah, I don't really want to have too long of an intro here. I just kind of want to jump right on into it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so starting off here, I got my stencil that I made out of some printer paper and a stencil design that I made on Illustrator. I decided I was going to start with this thread ripper and go ahead and just try getting through everything, but or this seam ripper, I should say. As you can see here, though, it didn't work out too well for me. Just decided to pull out the scissors. Made a big difference once I pulled out the scissors. Now, this is a really long project to work on, about 30 hours of work per crew neck, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less. I didn't have a good timer going, but regardless, a lot of work went into these, especially when it came down to doing the lettering on the front. So feel free to jump around the video. There's a lot of footage that I tried to condense here. I feel like I did a fairly good job, though. If you enjoy this type of stuff, though, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and drop a comment, maybe a like. Last thing I want to say before I leave you guys with the music, the remaining music in this video is done by myself and my friends. This next song coming up is by my good friend Ajal. It's an unreleased track from him, but you can go find him on social media at Composed by Ajal. But without further ado, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'll check in with you at the end.
No matter what we do, lil' mama, we won't fade. I was putting overtime, you match my wage. Baby, fuck these niggas, they ain't with it. Stack it by myself or with my village. No matter how I run my watch, you still the same. You stuck up on a chapter, turn the page. Finally, you know how niggas feel. Really, I was tryna keep it real. Don't matter if I don't or if I do. All you say you need is fucking proof. Not gon' lie, once that shit was thrilling. When it came to bring her, you was brilliant. Mastermind, my mind is cyclone. I be running through the digits like a psycho. Baby girl, the shit you might know. If I try to tell you, baby, I just can't go. Hit her from the back, that's Mando. She didn't think we do this shit, but now we can know. Shit ain't too hard for me to handle. She don't understand the things I understand, though. Girl, you bad and dangerous. Why can't you just hang with us? Why can't you just hang with us? Why can't you just hang with us? Passion is your party pack, no PCP, bring angel dust. Give me the loot, like what it do. I'm tryna find out how to move. Run up them stairs, lock down a room. And she call me Baba too. Tryna see just what your form is. You gon' see I shot or shoot. Fight they up like Mamba Juice. Took a taste and I'm like, ooh. No matter what we do, lil' mama, we won't fade. I was putting overtime, you match my wage. Baby, fuck these niggas, they ain't with it. Stack it by myself or with my village. No matter how I run my watch, you still the same. You stuck up on a chapter, turn the page. Finally, you know how niggas feel. Really, I was tryna keep it real. Don't matter if I don't or if I do. All you say you need is fucking proof. Not gon' lie, once that shit was thrilling. When it came to bring her, you was brilliant.
man, son, with a little bit of talent. Flowing like a gun, got this shit on automatic. Know that I ain't make it till I bought my bro a paddock, cause he's worried about the time he's got left. Saying I'm the best, only talking about sex. Say I love her thoughts, but I meant to say breasts. I could be shallow, I'm a male at best. At my worst a little boy, but I've grown, show respect. Yeah, I want a conversation, all I ever get is simple talk. Surface level shit, you be better off with kicking rocks. Got a little blurry, but I never had the vision lost. Had him in a hurry, pressure hitting like a ticking clock. Yeah, you really love to sympathize. I can never sweat it, I just count it as a business loss. Picked up with the speed, and flicked up with the team. I play my part, that's just a start, she liking what she sees. From across to the club, no you think it's some. You been faking the love, but the jig is up. I been shooting at snakes till I get rid of them. I don't need 2 takes, 1 is all I've ever done. Off it, 2 down, I'm really off it, I'm talking. Really shut up when I'm talking, I'm locked in. Tell me that I ain't locked in. Hit it from the back, told her that it felt awesome. Why the fuck I say awesome? I feel like Marino in the pocket with the Dolphins. I don't fuck with people who forget their own losses. Why she thread the needle, I ain't got another option. Got me dripping like a faucet. I don't trust people who can't trust their own logic. Y'all say on my dick, I'm just trying to switch topics. You ain't made shit if you only net losses. Young man with a plan and a bad bitch. Took a chance, but you can't understand it. Getting cash in the back with the bandits. I've been taxed on some things that you can't get. Smooth criminal, she love it when I'm physical. Shawty keeps saying I'm a child of the indigo. I'm too pivotal and yeah, too cynical. I keep a tight circle and I know we indivisible. Obsession with progression and a fear of mediocrity. Y'all should make investments cause there ain't nobody stopping me. She been taking lessons with a major in philosophy, which means she'll make a mention when she noticed my hypocrisy. Yeah, that's fear of mediocrity. Said I can never do a better chance to win the lottery. I ain't trying to hear her save your breath and do not talk to me. Excessively possessive of my time, need an apostrophe. I feel electric. Woo. Hear my flow say when I shift that perspective. I feel electric. Woo. On autopilot, I don't need directions. I feel electric. Woo. Surprising myself, but it's not unexpected. I feel ya, I feel ya, I feel electric. In my flow say when I shift that perspective. The feeling's addictive, I can't get enough. Turning these visions to physical touch. I'ma take what I'm giving, but I won't give up. I was doubting myself, now I'm calling my bluff. I feel it surge through my body. I feel like Tetsuo, ain't no one can stop me. I feel like Apollo and I feel like Rocky. Shit, I feel electric inside of my body. On autopilot, I ain't in control. Why would I fight it? I've been on a roll. So indecisive, I had to let go. And now I'm making magic and plotting on more. I feel electric. Woo. Hear my flow say when I shift that perspective. I feel electric. Woo. On autopilot, I don't need directions. I feel electric. Woo. Surprising myself, but it's not unexpected. I feel ya, I feel ya, I feel electric. In my flow say when I shift that perspective. This shit hypnotic, I ain't in control of it. Trust in the process and never let go of it. Give none of the credit to luck. I've been in the pocket and never got bored of it. Putting that work in, left it right up. Jaws been hurting, but I never gave up. I ain't tryna be perfect, I've been having fun. I feel so electric, I look like the plug. On autopilot, I ain't in control. Why would I fight it? I've been on a roll. So indecisive, I had to let go. And now I'm making magic and plotting on more. I feel electric. Woo. Hear my flow say when I shift that perspective. I feel electric. Woo. On autopilot, I don't need directions. I feel electric. Woo. Surprising myself, but it's not unexpected. I feel ya, I feel ya, I feel electric. In my flow say when I shift that perspective.
What's up, guys? We did it. We made it happen. Super fun time showing these. That was about 40 plus hours worth of work that I just condensed down into that 10-minute video. So if you enjoyed it, if you watched the whole thing, go ahead, drop a comment, drop a like. It means a lot. all the support really means a lot. We'll actually be releasing these the day after I post this video, so if you are seeing this on the Friday that it's posted on, go ahead, run on over to my Instagram page, more details for the drop there. It'll be going up on my website. It will be linked down below, but it won't open up until the drop happens, so go to my Instagram for more updates on all of that. Anyways, if you did make it this far, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. Subscribe for more music, some more clothing content. I got a ton on the way. Got the process video for these t-shirts coming up next. So thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.